In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use AI to convert Figma into code. We'll walk through a simple flow that uses Framer alongside the Anima integration so you can quickly move from a design to usable code. Keep your browser open and your project ready, and I'll guide you through each click. Start by opening the Framer website in your browser and signing into your account. Once you're in, open the design you want to work with. If your canvas has multiple pages or frames, make sure the one you want to convert is visible, so the next steps target the right content. It also helps to save your work now so you have a clean restore point in case you experiment along the way. Look toward the bottom of the interface and open the Actions menu. This is where you can quickly find tools without digging through multiple panels. In the search bar that appears, type Anima. You're looking for the official Anima option to assist with code generation powered by AI. When the results load, switch to the Plugins and Widgets area so you see the relevant integration. Click the Anima entry to open its details. If it isn't installed yet, go ahead and install it. Installation is usually quick. Just confirm any prompts so the plugin can access the design context it needs. If you see a request for permissions, review and accept so everything runs smoothly. Once Anima is installed, open it from the same area. You'll see options within the plugin that relate to exporting or embedding output. Here, click the Embed Code option. This action reveals the code snippet generated from your current design context. Think of this as a ready-to-use block that mirrors your layout and styling, created with the help of Anima's AI. If your design changes, you can always return to this panel to refresh what's generated. A couple of quick tips as you work through this. Double-check that the frame or component you want represented is selected before you open the plugin, because that selection influences what Anima reads. If the panel looks empty or you don't see the element you expect, reselect the frame and reopen the plugin. Also, if results look off, tidy your layers and group related elements. Clean structure leads to cleaner code output. And that's the flow. You opened Framer, loaded your design, used the Actions menu to find Anima, installed it from Plugins and Widgets, and clicked the Embed Code to generate the snippet. Follow these steps anytime you need a fast, AI-assisted path from a design to code.